Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at this chart, what you can see that the crude price has moved upside and from there it is continuously coming down, and you know that this level is already tested twice at this level, and okay, so chances will be very high. Okay, so this level is already tested twice, so chances will be very high that if it comes close to this level, then probability is there it can go and move further low and can touch a level of 64.13, and suppose if this level didn't sustain, we can see a level of 62.69 also, and if it goes more below that level, then we can see a level of 61.81. okay, so what we have to understand here is that this is the range where the market is heading. Okay, so once this range breaks, okay, and this range was already tested is around 68.59, and this is already tested twice, so chances are high if it comes close to this level it can again bounce back. Okay, we can see a pattern is forming an upside, and the low we have seen at around 66.98. suppose if this range breaks upside, then we can see a level of, okay, then we can see it can touch a level of 69.46 also, and if that level sustain, then we can see a level of 70.14. but 70.14, remember, it is tested here twice. Okay, if we see this, then chances are high that it can go and touch a level of 70.78, and from there it can touch a level of 71.8. okay, so what we can understand here is, suppose if the price goes above 71, then we can see that it can go and touch a level of 73.65, and from there it can go and touch a level of 74.23, and if it goes above that level, then we can see a level of 74.81, which is already tested twice, so chances are high that it can touch a level of 75.49 also. Okay, and if it goes above that level, then we can see it can go further high. But if we look at this chart, see, suppose if you have any doubt regarding crude position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or a mail ID I've given in the description, and please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. Okay, so what we can understand here, that this is the range, particular range it is forming. Okay, so suppose if this range goes upside, okay, above a level of 68.67, then we can see a level of 69.58, and from there we can see a level of 70.78 to a level of 72, and if sustain this level, then we can see a level of 73 also, and then we can see a level of 74 also, and once 74.16 is sustained, then we can see a level of 75.5, and from there we can see a level of 76.16 to a level of 76.94. suppose if this range breaks downside, then we can see a level of 68. okay, and suppose if that didn't sustain a level, then we can see a level of 67, which is already tested twice, so chances are high that it can go below a level of 65.95. suppose if this level didn't sustain, then we can see a level of 64.26, and from there we can see a level of 63.18. and I'm telling you these level because suppose this is the range a U pattern is forming, so if this is a range was forming, suppose if this range breaks downside, then we definitely chances are high that it can touch a level of 64.16, and if it goes more below that level, then we can see a level of 63.15. suppose if the price goes more below that level, then we can see a level of 61.87. okay, and once 61.87 is touched, we know that this level is already tested twice, so chances will be very high, and 65 also, remember, if it comes close to 66.84, then probability is there it can touch a level of 65.77 and can break this level of 65.16 and can touch a level of 63.62 to a level of 61.53, which is already tested twice, so chances are high that it can go further low. Okay, so remember this, if it comes close to this level, it can go further low to a level of 60 also. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.